Hello, this is Carpetlight. We would like to present a new Carpetino set. Since last summer's release, we have already sold over 100 of these kits to major TV stations, rental houses and photographers in Germany, Europe and worldwide. All the equipment was made with great care and with the highest quality here in Germany. As you can see, the small case carries all the equipment and weighs less than 4.5 kilograms. The central unit of the Carpetino is the lamp head. It fits snugly into the inside of the case's lid. It is fastened with Velcro for transportation. The Carpetino is fully flexible. You can do almost anything you like with the lamp without breaking it, as the material composition is fully textile and free from any wires. The control unit comes in a very handy size. You can use the V-lock on top of it to attach a battery. There are two controls on the front for adjustments. On the rear you can find the two DMX ports and the connectors for the lamp and power supply. This is the snap grid. We will come back to this item later. There is a 5-meter header extension cable in the case that connects the control unit with the light. If you do not want to use a battery, there is an AC power supply included. You can easily plug the AC adapter onto the V-mount lock and then attach the DC cable to the control unit. We use a bayonet plug to prevent the cable from detaching from the unit. And as you can see, it needs to be turned about 90 degrees and it locks into position perfectly. Now we can connect the AC plug to the mains power supply. Use the right controller on the front of the unit to switch the lamp on and off. And by rotating it, you can see the color temperature changing. The brightness can be adjusted with the other controller. We can demonstrate again that nothing will happen when you squeeze the light or drape it over and around things, or even folding it. Handle it as if you were handling a textile and don't worry about breaking anything inside the lamp. There is another very interesting item included in this set, the softbox. This is very useful and helps the light gain a smooth and even lighting surface. You can attach the softbox onto the lamp using the Velcro, and as you can see there isn't any spill light emitting from the sides, and it still has the same great tactile flexibility as before. Another very interesting component that fits in this case is the foldable frame. Just open it out and fasten the 4 arms to the center point. There are magnets in the corners that hold the light to the frame. The magnets are strong enough to give the frame and lamp high stability, but they are not too strong that you cannot get the lamp off again. The frame can be attached to a spigot that comes with a bayonet attachment, so the frame cannot turn while the lamp is rigged on a stand or grip head. Whatever you'd like to do with it. Now we'll return to the snap grid that comes with this set. A snap grid is the perfect accessory to give lighter direction. This one has a 40-degree throw angle and is attached using the Velcro on the softbox. Due to our Velcro surround, the spill light is eliminated. You can also use it without the softbox. Here we connect the control unit with a V-mount battery. It fits perfectly on the top. If you want to use the light system in a rush or on the move, there is a holster inside the case. You can change the size of the holster to accommodate larger batteries. On the back there is a clip so you can attach it to your belt. While using the holster you can carry out all adjustments using only one hand. I hope you enjoyed our little presentation. For more information, visit our website or contact us.